Okay, so working on this Acura TL 2004. It's got a J-Series engine in it, V6. But I just want to show you this. I pulled off this tensioner right here. And hopefully you guys can see this, but right down there, I get the focus. Right down there is all kinds of oil, all kinds of fluid. So if you guys see that, if you start doing the timing belt on a J-Series V6 and you see oil like that, hydraulic fluid, this is coming out of the tensioner itself. If you see fluid like that just laying there because it sits at an angle like this, you need to replace this tensioner. Don't reuse this. This is trash. Your best bet is to pick up a timing belt component kit, either an ASIN or ASIN timing belt component kit is probably one of the better ones. I've had two Gates water pumps for these vehicles fail at 60,000 miles. Just want to show you guys, if you see a tensioner has a whole bunch of oil like that, go ahead and replace it. Alright guys, just wanted to show that to you.